Hello guys, hope everyone is okay. So today's video is about the DJI Neo 2, my first test, my first flight, my first try with this little drone. I wasn't going to get a drone for a while because I kind of got bored of making drone videos. However, I noticed this DJI Neo 2. I saw some videos, I saw how cool it was, how the tracking and obstacle avoidance looked really good, and also the hand gestures you can use to control the drone. I don't have a RC controller at the minute. So here I'm using the phone app and hand gestures to control the drone. The drone's very small, very light. I'm a bit worried about wind conditions. I think you would have to use this drone on a very calm day. We'll see about that. But yeah. What am I doing here? Okay. I'm telling the drone to move backwards further away to get a better shot. Easy done. The hand gestures are quite intuitive. They're easy to do, pick up. They seem really responsive as well. So this is a nice morning. This is December the 2nd, Tuesday morning. Just walking waffle on the local field. The light is really good. The sun's just come up. A bit cold as well. The video quality is quite crisp. There's no LUTs, there's no editing in the colours or anything. This is straight from the drone. The drone has internal memory. I think it's about 46 or 48 gigabytes. There's no memory card slot, but that seems adequate for what I will use it for anyway. Just little clips like this. The battery is quite limiting. The drone's really good and you want to use it a lot, but you really do need extra batteries. I bought the drone with 3 batteries, the bundle. So with this battery I'm using now, in this case, I registered the drone, activated it, installed the firmware, and I recorded about 9 or 10 minutes video footage as well. Here I'm using the gesture to position the drone around me. It's quite like a Jedi using the Force, isn't it? It's really simple to do and quite satisfying actually. Waffle doesn't mind the drone. The drone isn't that noisy. It does make a noise, but it isn't too bad. I would think in windy conditions the noise would increase in level. So I will get an RC controller, because using this Neo 2 like this right now, the range is pretty limited. You can buy a add-on antenna that fits on the back of the drone, and if you use an RC controller you'll get longer range as well. Yeah, just bringing it down now. So here the drone was following behind, but now it decides to go in front, moving backwards, which actually makes for a cool shot here. Looks quite cool with the autumn colours behind me. I keep looking at the phone because I'm checking the battery level to see how long I've got left on the battery. Yeah, that's a cool shot there. So you can actually fly up and around and do everything you can in a fashion with just the phone app, but it is better to get the RC controller. I think you can use the goggles as well to get FPV flights. So I'm hoping I'll be able to try this when I'm cycling, because what I've seen on YouTube of the Neo 2 being used with mountain biking and cycling in general looks really cool. The tracking seems to be very good. It's not all herky-jerky, and the obstacle avoidance seems pretty good as well. Hopefully we'll have some snow this year and I'll be able to capture some good footage of that. So the drone's very small and portable. I can put this in my pocket and I can see me using it a lot more than a bigger drone, because it's easy to control and very portable. Okay, Waffle's doing his business now, so look away. This is part of my daily duties. It's never ending. He never stops eating and pooing and peeing everywhere. But yeah, this was just like my first try of the drone. I just wanted to see what's possible. The video looks really good quality. I need to find out how to add my DJI Mic Mini to my phone app and the drone, so I can record audio at the same time instead of doing a voiceover in post edit. Yeah, it's a very good drone. And here I'm going to end the video now. I just put my palm out. The drone lands in my palm and shuts down. It's all automated. It's very cool. Okay guys, I hope you found that interesting or useful. Please drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. See ya.